Here is the reliable and professional Chinese supplier you can ever find on Alibaba. Tenyu is Alibaba member since the first day when it was set up. 9 years gold member on Alibaba till today. Every year, Alibaba does investigation on us and has satisfactory report. Especially in the past 9 years. Tenyu are growing every year with our customers. To choose a supplier, whether he is a professional or not, is very important. Tenyu focus on saw blade, cutting, grinding, polishing, coring, drill bit tools industry, with the capability of launching many successful new products every year. As a hard-working know-how team and its own R&D and testing center under construction. Tenyu is an expert you can find on Alibaba. When you work with Chinese supplier, you may always worried what is happening far away from you in China. Thanks to the strong supply chain management, the strictly selected factories are always treating your orders with first priority. With strict priority quality control, sales support, order living broadcasting, quality test, and final inspection before shipping, 100% quality warranty. You can feel released after you place the order. Your life will be happier. Let's work for great future together. Work with reliable professional, responsible, and fast-growing supplier in China. You will be guaranteed that you will have more time to sever for fun. That's sever for supplies. Contact us now. You are here for you.